This is exactly why we let professionals do it anyways. But anyways, on certain valve stems, you'll have like long ones, and you got these. Sometimes it may not have a flat, it may be just these got loose. But on mine I have a cover. Now it's loose, so I can't. But anyways, you have another little nut that goes on there. You gotta make sure you take that off. Take the caps off, take your cap off and take that little nut off. And make sure you just release the rest of the air out of it. You get your little tool. And you got your tool right here. See, I'm doing this one-handed, holding the phone. You see how it's got the little hooks and that there. Little hook. You get it in there between the rim and the tire. See if you can't get it in there, get it hooked underneath the tire. You pull that out. Get that pulled out, and you just go around it. Just keep going around until it comes out. But most of the time you do this with two hands. You wouldn't do this one-handed. I'm just trying to show you. This is why we let professionals do it. But just in case you're on the highway somewhere and you have to change your tire, it's always good if you can find one of these little gadgets like this. It's perfect. They got several different ones out there. And then you get all the way around it. And it comes out. Pull it off there, but like I said, trying to do it one-handed is not easy to do. I wouldn't recommend it doing it one-handed, but the same way with that tool. You get under there, you just... It's gonna be hard. You just gotta get the valve stem out. Let's see, I don't like them long valve stems. It makes it harder to get out of there. If you get the tube out the tire, then you're okay. You know what I mean? So, there you go. And you're off the races.